There are a few areas I wanted to highlight going into the 2025 tax filing season. The first area is that we know the IRS has been going through some changes, but that doesn't mean that they're not changing their focus when it comes to the R&D tax credit. They want to see a connection between the work that's being done and what's filed on the form. So that means no inflated wages, no cookie cutter studies, and no flimsy documentation. The second area is going to be the form itself. Now, we know the form has gone through some changes with some additions. Some of these sections are still going to be optional for this tax filing year. That doesn't mean that you should go into it thinking about the future and planning for when it is not going to be optional. Ultimately, it's the same theme. They want to see that alignment between the work and the credit that's actually being filed. The other area is the states. The states are always going to be a little bit of a mixed bag. Depending on what state you're currently in, it could either follow federal very closely, it could be its own thing, or it could even be an application process. The goal here is to understand what are the requirements for the state that you're in and get your CPA or tax advisor involved very early so that you don't miss out on these valuable credits. So ultimately, going into the 2025 tax filing season, it's really about keeping the fundamentals correct, keeping it consistent. Think of the credit as a system that you do every single year, maintain that consistency, and it will provide value year over year